guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and today I put on a little makeup because I was just feeling like a beat up big toe. What's new? And I haven't worn makeup I feel like almost all month of March, so feeling cute. Had to mix it up today. But today I felt like I wanted to treat myself, do something, a little self-care to pick up my spirits, and I'm so excited because I got a bunch of packages in the mail, and I'm so excited to show you guys literally everything here I'm in love with. The first package being from Ana Luisa. Big thanks to them for sponsoring this part of today's vlog. I absolutely love their jewelry. I have several pieces here in my collection at home. They're just very timeless pieces, and for me, I'm all about quality over quantity, and their packaging is so freaking cute. It's like that little bit of luxury at affordable prices. It reminds me so much of like the Louis Vuitton packaging, which is funny because their products come from the same producers as Louis Vuitton and Tiffany's, so you're getting amazing quality at such a great price, starting at $49. So they come in these cute little velvet pouches, which are fantastic for storage and also just like travel and keeping everything safe. So I ended up picking out these beautiful rope knot studs, and they are made with recycled gold. I really needed to get some small delicate earrings that I could wear in my ears because I have 3 piercings, and for some reason, you guys, I only wear earrings in my second hole because I'll do like statement hoops or something, but I don't want to wear those in the shower or to bed. So something small like this I thought would be perfect for me to just keep in all of the time, and I don't have to, you know, continue to take them out and change them. So really love these. These are so cute and they look really good with my existing earrings. And then the second pair that I picked out, what's new, is something again very delicate and dainty. These are really pretty like miniature hoops, so definitely check them out. They were so sweet enough to hook up my dolls with an exclusive link and coupon, so I'll be sure to put that in the description box for you guys. You can shop analuisa.com/akdoll and use the coupon code akdoll10 for your 10% off. So that I was so excited to get in the mail. And then whoop whoop, your girl got some Yeezys. Can someone please tell me why it's easier to get your hands on a pair of Yeezys and I still have yet to come by some paper towels? So I ended up going with a pair of 350 Boosts. This is my 3rd pair now, and I think I'm obsessed. I don't know where this obsession came from, but I'll be watching like sneakerheads on YouTube, their vlogs, their try-ons, their reviews. I follow all the Yeezy accounts, so I'm really excited about this. I ended up going with the new Desert Sage. I get mine in a men's 7.5. Now the sizing with these are horrible. You definitely have to size up. My first pair, I ended up getting them a half size too small, and they're still a little bit tight, which is why I don't wear them all the time. I ended up taking out the insoles, and I don't know, that was just my first mistake. So I wear a women's 9 for size reference, and 7.5 in the 350 Boost is perfect for me, like perfect fit. Finally obsessed, can wear all my shoes and not have to feel like I have to take them off within 30 minutes. So I want to show you guys the details because guess what, your girl's a sneakerhead now. I just got the heels, and I believe I ordered those in December time, so I've been wearing them religiously enough for me to enter into the raffle. So I didn't exactly wait in a queue online the day that these dropped. I was not about to go to a store and stand in a line because in LA it's just, people are serious. They love their shoes and they'll wait in lines and camp out overnight, but I'm not doing that. It's just a pair of shoes to me. So my logic is, okay, I'll go online, I'll enter the raffle. If I get the raffle, hey, it's meant to be. If not, okay, oh well. So this is my 2nd time winning a raffle, and I feel like it's just meant to be at this point. So I already unboxed these for Instagram, so let me just put on a surprise face. Oh my god, they're beautiful. I already know they're beautiful, but they're even more perfect in real life. And on Instagram, you could actually see the reflective stripe. I also love the way that they lace the Yeezys. So we have the yellow sole on the back that continues to show here on the back of the heel, as well as the toe box. It also features this beautiful sage color, which to me is like a nice mint color. I don't know, I love these muted out tones. Recently, like a mint blue is like my favorite shade right now, so I'm like hoping that they'll come out with something like that in the future. But this colorway was so different. I'm so tired of them doing beiges and creams and different variations. Like they all look the same, which is why I fell in love with the heels. And I saw these and I was like, whoa, we need to get them, because look at the interior, you guys. Oof, the insole is orange. We have the orange interior. They did away with the pull tab here. The heels don't have those either. But I don't really know if I care that much that they don't have them on these boosts. I think it gives it a nice seamless look, but it is nice to have it to put it on. So yes, you guys, these are the new Yeezy Boost 350s in the Desert Sage. Again, if you are a size 9 in women's, I definitely recommend a 7.5. For me, it's like the perfect fit. I don't know if it's gonna show up, because if you can see, there's like this beautiful stripe detail going around, carries on the back. That's where it's reflective. I love the reflective detail. I think it's so unique. So now that I feel like I've done a good job in the sneaker community, thank you for watching my unboxing. I don't know where this shoe obsession came from. Maybe it's because I have a lot of friends that are sneakerheads, Beverly being one of them. It's just, I guess, something that I am constantly exposed to, right, Leroy? Now the next package I got was from one of my favorites, you guys. This is from Ulla Henriksen. I keep saying that wrong. Ulla Henriksen sent over a beautiful PR package with some minis, some of my favorite products, and this cute little pouch to reuse and recycle. I love recycling a package like this in my life. So Leroy, what we got today? What we got? Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a mini of the Fat Facial, if it will focus. If you guys watched one of my recent videos, I know your girl has been out here uploading like crazy, so definitely have a day to catch up. But it was the vlog where I had mentioned things to do at home so you don't get bored. I did a face mask with this and it was amazing. I felt like my face just felt hydrated again and kind of refreshed. So it's a really good mask to incorporate within your routine. It has AHAs in it. It's amazing. Now this I've yet to try. This is the Banana Bright Face Primer with vitamin C and banana powder. So this is a nice little size to travel with, and of course try out if you are new to it. I should have used this today, but I wasn't thinking about it because, guys, I have not seriously worn makeup in so long. I feel like I've been just looking crazy in all of my videos, like being makeup free and letting my skin breathe. I'm all about it, but I felt like I was also losing myself. Like, I don't know, there's something about just getting ready for the day and just feeling snatched, even if it's like a light beat like this. So the next thing I have is the Banana Bright Eye Cream. This I'm excited to try. I've seen a lot of this on Instagram and I can't wait to use it. And my holy grail, I'm so happy I have this because I have the full size and I'm running low. But this is their Glow 2.0 Dark Spot Toner, and this also has AHAs in it as well. This has amazing reviews, you guys, online. It's not too pricey, full size, so I'm gonna definitely recommend this. I've been using mine for a little while now, definitely over a month, and I want to say, I mean, you guys see my skin without makeup all the time, but it definitely helped to brighten up my complexion, especially my hyperpigmentation and all of that. I feel like it's been doing an amazing job, so I continue to use it at least once a day in the morning. I'm kind of carefree with my routine with skincare because I'm working out, not trying to sweat off all the product, you know what I mean? This is the Peach Perfect Instant Coverage Concealer, and I'm the biggest fan of their peach collection. You guys want to know why? Because it smells amazing and their foundation is awesome. Like, I used it today. So I've never used the shade Toasted, but they also sent over a brush to go with it. This is their Mr. Cover Up Perfect Concealer Brush. And again, I should have tried this out today. Maybe I'll do like a get ready with me video. So it's just a nice creamy potted concealer. So I'll probably mention that in the get ready video. And then L'Oreal sent out some new hair care products. I love like hygiene products, and I'm always just using shampoo and conditioner all the time because I do wash and goes. This is a wash and go. So if you guys are interested in how I do my hair every day, heatless, so it's protective, definitely head over to my other vlog where I did a full wash and go curly hair routine if you guys care. I don't know, I just did that video for people that have hair like me and they have literally tried everything. They don't know what the hell to do. That's definitely something I would recommend. Excuse me, can you sit down and I'll give you a treat if you're good? Sit. Good boy. Okay, so this is the shampoo and conditioner combo. It's the Dream Lengths for damaged hair. It says long and damaged. So for me, I know when I'm buying hair care products, I always treat my hair like it's damaged / dry, because that's where you get the most moisture in the products and the ingredients, right? So this one is made with castor oil and vitamins. Big ups to the packaging. Something about these color combinations, it's giving me life right now. I really love this. And then they also have a leave-in conditioner, which I love leave-ins, especially with my curly hair. So I'll definitely be trying those out very soon. You ready to see your buddy? Guess what? I promised you a little snack. Sit, 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 sit. These smell so good, sometimes I want to eat them. Maybe I'm in such a good mood today, I just realized, because I took CBD oil. It's finally kicking in all of its glory. So if you guys are interested in CBD and learning about the benefits and why I started to take CBD, check out my video, links below. You guys, it's 5 o'clock on a Tuesday. No traffic. It would take me an hour and a half to get where I'm going. 25 minutes.
One time, stand baby. One time, she's got to be. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one, them a step in on me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Man, I tell him, me then go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see these girls them go down. Ooh wee, bad man run the show now. Oh yeah, see these girls them go down. Ooh wee, and a bad man run the show, now. Yeah. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one nigga. Now me a damn thing. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run nigga. One nigga say really one nigga. Call me emergency. One time me na never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man me a